Hey guys, Claudio here with Innova Heating Co. And today we're going to show you how to install one of our decorative covers onto one of our Innova heaters. These covers come in two sizes, for our 39-inch heaters and for our 61-inch heaters, and come in multiple laser cut patterns as well as multiple finishes. All the Innova decorative covers come in their own corrugated box, and they also have a plastic sleeve to ensure that their finish does not get scuffed up during shipment. This is what we call the chevron pattern, and as I mentioned, they are available in many different patterns. The idea here is that you are going to ensure when you install it into the heater that this long edge safely goes into this open crevice on the bottom of the heater and then on top of the heater. You start on one side, ensuring that you've got it into the slot, and just slowly and carefully position it just like that, and that it's centered. It's really important to make sure it's centered. It does move within the heater once you've got it installed, but it's a lot easier to do that now versus when you have both ends in, and it makes it a little bit more difficult to slide around. So make sure you're as centered as you can be, and then once it's in that slot, you apply a little downward pressure. Now, when you have this installed on a ceiling or on a wall, it's going to be a little bit different feeling, but it's the same process. You got to make sure you're applying a little bit of downward pressure, and you can hear it snapping in. And just ensure you hear that snap all the way through. Now, this test lets you know that it's actually in there pretty good. So that is how you install an Innova decorative cover on one of our heaters.